Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So I just wanted to make a quick update on THG before I go to work today. Because THG, compared to other gaming cryptos, has already bounced back and has continued to move forward in its bullish uptrend. So let's dive into THG to see what we can see, but more importantly, if you've missed the dip, what do you do moving forward? So what do I mean by THG already moving on? So the thing to note about corrections or dumps is take a look at whether the structure has been broken. Let me give you an example. So in other crypto projects like Polis, for example, when a correction happens and you broke the structure, meaning you were hovering around the EMAs, but then broke the structure to the downside, it takes a while for things to recover. But in THG's case, and there are some crypto projects like this, especially the very, very healthy and strong ones, it attempts to break the structure right here, but it fails. So what do I mean by that? Is when price bounces off the EMAs and comes back up immediately and finds support levels above them, then you know that this particular correction is over, or at least it has a high likelihood that it's already over. And it's only in the crypto space that this type of situation happens, where you have a corrective phase, but sometimes some cryptos only take an hour before they bounce back. So if you've missed the dip, unfortunately, there you go. But you may be wondering, more importantly though, what do you do moving forward? So how can you prevent yourself from missing these opportunities? So this is where laying down your Fibonacci retracement becomes very useful, because what happens right here is, if you know that you already have a local top and a local bottom, lay down your fibs, because the next leg of the journey, the price actions typically conform to the fib levels. What do I mean by that? So the Fibonacci levels act as support and resistance lines when a price has its journey from the local bottom all the way to its fifth wave destination. In this case, you see that the fib levels act as, again, resistance, like here when it first went up, rallied past the 236, but met 236 as resistance at the end of the candle, then found it as support and then blasted off here, and then found it as support right here at the 382, and then before moving on. Currently, after a run up to the 1, which is around $10, it met resistance at the 1 and began its correction, ended up on the 618, found a little bit of support on the 050, slightly above it, but look at where it rested. So now it rallied back up from here and rested on the 786 before our continuation. So it's very important as a crypto investor to really lay down your fibs, because from here you can identify buying or selling opportunities, because these levels act as both support and resistance. So you can imagine moving forward, what's probably going to happen here is, if this is the bottom of the wave 2 and we're not going to correct anymore because it has found strong support here to 786, you can imagine it will probably do something like this, where you're running up here and then eventually break it, and then you maybe have a strong rally right here, and then you find support levels on the 1272, maybe play around a little bit here, hit the 3, and begin the correction to the wave 4, something like this, and you're moving forward right around here, and then you have a strong rally to the wave 5. So having fib levels allow you to really map out the scenarios on when certain buying opportunities may play out. So once you see price action conforming to the fib levels, you can either buy here or spread out your buys. What do I mean by that? So let's say you want to buy right now. Price is conforming to the 786. You buy here, but don't put all your eggs in this basket. So if you spread out your buys, so maybe split your funds in half, so just in case you buy here at the 786, but if it corrects from here, then you at least have some funds left to buy it maybe at the 618. Everything I say here, not financial advice. So this video is really meant as a wake-up call for those of you who are new to the space, that the crypto space is really quite volatile, but also very fast. So opportunities sometimes come and go very quickly. But the good thing about the space is you will always have opportunities. So don't beat yourself up if you miss the dip. Rather, the best thing to do moving forward is take the lessons that you can, chart a way forward, and remain disciplined when it comes to buying opportunities in the future. And that's it. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. If you also have other gaming cryptos that you would like me to look at, just leave it in the comments below. I'll find time to look at it. But until then, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.